Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about Ethena and I will show you how to get 200 Ethena absolutely free and safe. Okay, let's get started. If you don't know what Ethena is a decentralized finance, DeFi, protocol on Ethereum that offers a synthetic dollar USDA and a yield asset as USDA. Ethena is the governance token for the protocol. Ethena aims to create an alternative to traditional stablecoins like USDT and USDC by creating a crypto-native, scalable, and decentralized solution for money. In order to get your crypto, you just need to go to the Ethena website and withdraw them to your wallet. You can do this through the MetaMask extension or another. The list is very large. Now, to get the crypto, you need to click Get Ethena, select a wallet, and confirm the receipt of Ethena.